In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve review exercise number 1.1. Question number 1, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Which of the following sets have closure property with respect to addition and multiplication? Part number 1, that is 0. This set is closed with respect to addition because 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 belong to set 0. Second, for multiplication, this set is closed with respect to multiplication because 0 dot 0. So 0 multiplied 0 is equal to 0 belong to set 0. Second part, set 1. This set is not closed with respect to addition because 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 not belong to in set 1. So next, multiplication. This set is closed with respect to multiplication because 1 multiplied 1 is equal to 1. So 1 belong to set 1. Third part, that is 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 for addition properties. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Next, second, minus 1. So minus 1 plus 0 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 plus into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 not belong to set 0, 1. The set is not closed with respect to because minus 2 does not belong to set 0 and minus 1. So next, for multiplication, 0 minus 1. So 0 multiply 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiply minus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 1 multiply 0 is equal to 0. Minus 1 multiply minus 1, which is equal to minus multiply minus plus 1 ones are 1, so equal to 1. So 0 and 1 belong, 0 and minus 1, 0 belong to set, but 1 not belong to set. So this set is not closed with respect to multiplication because 1 not belong to set 0 and minus 1. Next, fourth part, that is 1 and minus 1. First, applying addition properties, that is 1 minus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Second, minus 1 into plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 not belong to set 1 and minus 1. Hence, the set is not closed with respect to addition because minus 2, 0 and plus 2 does not belong to set minus 1 and 1, which is the required solution. So next, for multiplication, 1 and minus 1. So 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 1 multiply minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Next, minus 1 multiply 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So plus 1 belong to set 1. So minus 1 belong to set. So this set is closed with respect to multiplication, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.